There we go, vlog 138. We are on our way to Venice Beach, California. Today is super hot day. It's 105 in Los Feliz Village, which is Hollywood area. And it is intense, scorchy. We're like burning down, melting down. I feel like I'm sitting in a melting pot right now as we speak, like the old times where everyone thought the America was a melting pot. Well, it is anyways. That's a whole different subject, but yeah, it is a melting pot. America will melt as other ethnic backgrounds, just all mix and mingle. Anyways, guys, so we are on our way there to fix an iPhone SE, which is the small iPhone, but it's really fast. It has a 6S engine. I'm sure you heard this before in my other vlogs if you've been following me. But yeah, so we're gonna fix Eric's phone. His name is Eric. The job came through Fixed, FIXT, which is a lead company that we use to get jobs on the side, and so that's pretty much what we're doing right now. This guy was an idiot. Just right now, you guys see that, right? He literally like waited for me to go, and then he wanted to get me on the side. What an idiot! Just funny, guys. When it's really hot outside, people drive like either with zero brain or zero logics or both, and just hard to drive. So you gotta make sure you kind of look out for them and for you, because you can actually get into a collision if you don't look out for them and for you, because a lot of times they don't care if they hit you, but you have to care because you have to go with a headache. But that's a whole different subject. But yeah, so be careful when you're out there when it's hot in California, because people drive like idiots. So that's a fact. So yeah, so we are going to Venice Beach. I'm thinking like maybe after the job, after my Venice job, I should just stick around there and enjoy the beach. It's a beautiful day today, so why not, you know what I mean? So I don't know, we'll see what happens, but that's not planned. So since I'm driving there anyways, I might as well enjoy the beach. So, and the beach will be much better as far as the weather goes than here. It'll be much cooler, so it's perfect. But guys, I will see you when I get there. In the meantime, thank you for checking me out, and thank you for tuning into my channel. I appreciate your time and your support. All the love. It's all good energy, good vibes, and I do appreciate that very much. Thank you again. So see you guys over there when I get to Venice. Peace. Hey guys, I am here in Venice Beach, Santa Monica, California, around that area. I'm almost there in like a mile. It looks like it's Santa Monica, but it's borderlands with Venice, so that's why it's considered Venice, I guess, on the map where I was given the address on. So here I am. I'm driving right now on. I'm driving on Pacific right now, Pacific. So it actually goes a long way all the way to Venice Beach to Marina del Rey and to Playa del Rey. It's a long street. So should be there in 0.7 miles, 4 minutes, and we should get that thing rolling, going. Done data. And here we reach the street Marine. This big old truck wants to block every car. I'm just gonna pass around it. Hopefully I can. Yes, I did. Why not? Yeah, you gotta drive a little smart sometimes, not yet. Yeah, this street is right where all my customers live. It's this famous street in Venice called Pacific. It's like the coolest street ever. It honestly has the coolest people and restaurants and houses and vibe. It's really cool. It's a pretty dope area. Right now I'm on Rose and Pacific, and I heard that. Oh my God, that's where. I just realized this Rose Street right here. That's where all my that's where Jesse Wellens actually got that Levis Jean jacket made. It was right here. Amazing! I just realized that because the jeans. I don't know if you know Jesse Wellens. He's a big YouTuber, a really big guy. He's a really cool dude. I'm a big fan. And he made this jean jacket, like an old school kind of a thing, with Levi's, and it said Rose Ave Dog Town, and it's pretty much. But and the thing, it was correlated to actually in Venice Beach, the Rose Avenue, so where all the dogs are walking. You see, there's all the dogs. That's so crazy. I never seen that strip before, and I've had an office here for a long time before. Anyways, so that's about it, guys. I'm almost there, so we should get there any second now. Here's Venice for you guys, all of cool peeps. A lot of cool people going to the beach, just good vibes all around. Yeah, past that street I was supposed to make a right on. Anyways, we'll figure it out. We have to make a right now because we have to go around because we passed it. So, have to wait now. How are you driving now? Thank you. Okay, so we have to make a right from here, it looks like. Okay, we are in the back alley, guys. This is how Venice is. You gotta, in order to get somewhere, you gotta go through the back alleys, and it's pretty cool houses. Pretty fun, it looks old school. Kind of feels like Catalina in a way. Love Venice, love Venice. I know it got a little dirty lately with all the people like druggies and homeless people, but overall, I love this place. Still a home to me. So okay, let's see. Right now I'm on Royal Count. The guys, they can park in the back of my house. So this is where the back of the house is, somewhere 114. Let's see. I'm driving. I'm literally, I feel like I'm in some kind of a movie set or like a theme park where the houses are like everywhere. Okay, there's a street called Breeze Street. There's Wave Crest. I need a Wave Crest, so it should be here somewhere. 114. 114? No, let's see. 114. Like that, those it should be down. Call the customer and ask. Guys, I'll be right back with the repair, so stay tuned. And I'll be back. I have to call the customer because it looks like that's the house, but I need to know where I should park, so see you guys soon. Smarter way going about it. I mean, having this in my pocket, I can feel I have something. Having a small phone, it actually feels like a cell phone, not like a freaking radio. You know what I mean? Or like an iPad.
Yeah. And also, I mean, with my hand, I can get my I've cut my.
See, the phone looks like brilliant, right?
Yeah.
See, like when you use the original screen, that's how it looks like. Yes, really. Hey guys, we just finished that phone I just saw. Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna be able to drive from here. I'm just gonna have to drive back, guys. But yeah, we just finished that phone, guys, and it was the iPhone SE. Through fixed, and now I'm supposed to exit, but the street is so tiny I have to go back and exit from the other side. Yeah, it's better that way. I'll try to get home before traffic is killing. Rush hour. See, I wanted to go to Venice Beach, but because we're in Venice, but I know that if I go that route, I'm gonna be killed when it comes to actually driving back. So if I drive now, well, if I drive now, I'll be better off, and I'll get home by 3 instead of 5. See what happens, guys. The traffic makes you do things that you don't want to do. Or the traffic, actual stuff. Okay guys, I'm going to LA now, and I'm gonna edit this video, and I'll be back here with another repair when it comes through. In the meantime, I'm going to edit this video so I can upload it to you guys, so you guys can check it out and see what up. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Phon-Er. There you go. And that's a wrap.